Welcome to Paul Davis Restoration's Instant Answers. Today's question is, when is Paul Davis Restoration starting my project? I sent in my first draw payment. The answer is, after sending your draw payment, 3 critical things need to happen in order for your restoration team to begin to take your property back to pre-damaged condition. First, selections, decisions like paint colors, cabinetry, and flooring need to be made. Second, permitting. If your project and county require permits, Paul Davis Restoration will get these. And third, coordination. We need to coordinate your availability with our tradesmen's availability. Your Paul Davis project manager will be your key contact person during your project, and you will have access to them by phone, email, text, and all forms of communication. For all of your property damage needs, call Paul Davis Restoration, because this is no time for second best.